Have you ever been denied credit for something you thought you could afford? It happens to millions of people every year. Maybe it was a dream apartment, a new car, or even a credit card with better rewards. You go through the application process, feeling confident, only to be met with a confusing rejection letter. But why? One of the biggest reasons for credit application denials is inaccurate information on your credit report. That's right, a single mistake on a document that can impact your financial well-being significantly. But here's the good news. You have the right to see what's on your credit report and challenge any errors you find. In the United States, you are entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every 12 months. Today, we're going to focus on getting your free Equifax credit report. Equifax is one of the big 3 credit bureaus, and it's crucial to understand the information they have on file about you. So, how do you get your free Equifax credit report? There are actually a couple of ways, and we'll explore both to make sure you find the method that works best for you. First up, there's a centralized website set up specifically for requesting free credit reports, Annual Credit Report. This government-backed website allows you to request reports from all 3 bureaus, including Equifax, in one go. Here's how it works. Head over to Annual Credit Report, and you'll be greeted by a website that looks fairly official. Don't worry, it's legit. You'll be asked to verify your identity through a multi-step process. This might involve answering questions about your address, past loans, or other financial information. Once you're verified, you'll be able to access your reports from each bureau. Important note, while you can see all 3 reports at once, you can only request 1 free report per bureau, per year, from Annual Credit Report. If you'd prefer to avoid the verification process online, there are 2 alternative methods for requesting your Equifax report. By phone, you can call the Annual Credit Report Service at 1-877-322-8228. Again, there will be a verification process, but you can request your Equifax report over the phone. By mail, you can download a request form from the Annual Credit Report website and mail it in. This option might take a little longer, but it can be a good choice if you're not comfortable with the online verification process. Now, let's talk about another way to access your Equifax credit report through MyEquifax. MyEquifax is a free service offered by Equifax itself. By creating an account, you can access your Equifax credit report and credit score. While you can see your report for free, MyEquifax also offers credit monitoring and other services for a fee. Here's the key takeaway. The free reports you get from Annual Credit Report and MyEquifax will only show your Equifax credit report. Remember, you're entitled to free reports from all 3 bureaus every year. So, after checking your Equifax report, you should also request reports from Experian and TransUnion using Annual Credit Report or by contacting them directly. Once you have your reports, take a careful look. Look for any errors in your personal information, accounts you don't recognize, or delinquencies that have already been resolved. If you find any mistakes, you can dispute them directly with Equifax through a process outlined on their website. By regularly checking your credit report and disputing any errors, you can take control of your financial health and ensure you're getting the best possible credit opportunities. Keeping your credit report accurate is an important step towards a secure financial future. So, don't wait any longer. Head over to Annual Credit Report today and request your free Equifax credit report. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.